हेलो बच्चों, द क्वेश्चन है हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड HCN is prepared from ammonia, air and natural gas. Reaction है 2 moles of ammonia reacts with O2 and methane, formation of 2 moles of HCN and the 6 moles of water. So 11.5 gram of ammonia, 10 gram of O2 and 10.5 gram of CH4 लिया. What is the maximum mass in gram of hydrogen cyanide? Maximum mass of in gram, mass कितना है of hydrogen cyanide का? That could be made assuming the reaction goes to completion. The key concept is the mole concept. So reaction क्या है? When 2 moles of ammonia reacts with 3 moles of O2 and 2 moles of CH4 form होता है 2 moles of hydrogen cyanide plus 6 moles of water. तो here given क्या है? 11.5 ग्राम है, ऑक्सीजन 10 ग्राम है, CH4 10.5 ग्राम है. सो हम नंबर ऑफ मोल्स कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं? 11.5 डिवाइड बाय molecular weight of ammonia, that is 17. Next O2 का 10 डिवाइड बाय 32 and CH4 का 10.5 divided by 16. So moles of ammonia 0.67, moles of O2 0.31, moles of CH4 0.65. So इसमें से हम स्टोइचियोमेट्री निकालते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टोइचियोमेट्री 0.67 divided by here 2 moles of ammonia, so divide by 2. 0.31 divided by 3 moles of O2, therefore 3. 0.65 divided by 2 moles of CH4. तो स्टोइचियोमेट्री क्या आएगा? 0.335, 0.103 and 0.32. So the limiting reagent is O2 का आएगा. O2 is the limiting reagent. Now O2 is the limiting reagent. So 3 moles of O2 it gives 2 moles of HCN. So कितने moles of O2 है इधर? 0.31 mole of O2 gives X moles of HCN. So moles of HCN is equal to, that is X is equal to 2 into 0.31 divided by 3 is equal to 0.206. So therefore mass क्या आएगा? Mass of HCN is equal to 0.206 multiplied by molecular weight of HCN, that is हाइड्रोजन का 1, कार्बन का 12 and नाइट्रोजन का 14. So is equal to 5.625 gram. It is the correct answer. So option B is right one. Option A wrong है, option C wrong है, option D wrong है. Option B is correct one. Hope you can understand. Best of luck.